strong wind, with light and light, graceful feet, sweet eyes and sunny eyes, full of sweet smiles, and lazy day and night is the girl that fills my heart.
What is wrong with you? He is upset because we want something exciting. Exciting? I have an idea. Let us, please. We have some very fun hats in the American summer. And this is exciting? Well, they got us exciting about classes that they visit them. It sounds good. And the most important thing, we learn a lot. Wow, what is your name? Sometimes from Catalonia. Do you know where is he? Yes, Catalonia, Barça, Montserrat, Castellers, Sardana. The wrong systems. That's right, we can write you some songs. You can sing with us. On that moment, Trevor was beginning to sing a song. Will they like the songs? What do you think? Who doesn't like music? Do you like music? Keep performing, please.
White butterflies in the winter storm, my sweet porcelain.
Let's shake it, baby. 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 It's having fun. Will you show something more? Yes, please. A dance, for example. You want to dance? Sardines! Sardana! Oh, sorry, Sardana. Sardana! Stand, friend, we'll have to be ready.
Thank you. My sweet porcelain, go away,
It seems that children are preparing something new.
We like their dance. What do you think? Who doesn't like dancing? Do you like dancing?
Yes.
Then have comment.
My sweet porcelain, your voice just like royalty reigns.
Oh, it has been fun. This morning has been so exciting. Yes, but we have to go to home now. So, do you know a favorite song? Not exactly. Not that big. But do you know what I song? One more song, please. It's just to say goodbye. It's called The Sun Goes West Tonight. We sing fields and you can join us. One more song, please.